Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the March 2021 Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a monthly sewing subscription box. It runs about $31, which includes your shipping and handling inside the US. All of the information on how to sign up will be in the first comment down below this video. And as always, before we get started, if you like anything you see here and you want to be notified when I upload videos or go live, click that subscribe button down below this video and make sure to ring the bell. Let's dive in. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is get my glasses off of my face because a few of you have actually mentioned there's glare in my lenses from my light sometimes, and I want to not distract you from all the beautiful stuff that's down in here. I've already cut the tape on this, so let's just dive in. This is what it looks like. The sneak peek, or the theme for the box this month, is Happiness is Homemade. Woohoo! On the back of this card, as always, there's a promotion code. This month we're getting 25% off of all Martingale books, which includes that new Chex Mix book by Corey Yoder. We have 3 notions in our box this month, and the first one is a set of Sew Tight Sticklers, not stickers. These are basically little adhesive dots that are grippy. This package of 9 dots retails for $8.48, and the back side of the card basically says to use them, you're going to peel off the dot and put it on the metal backing of your Sew Tight, and it says that this is great for putting on the Sew Tights you use for on-the-go hand sewing projects. With the help of these, you will never lose your Sew Tight in the car bleachers or couch again. The nice thing about this product is that 5% of the profits donated go to teach teens life skills, including sewing, to help them live magnetically. So cool. I don't have my Sew Tights. I did give them away in a previous raffle that I did on a Friday Night Live. These will probably go in another raffle, but I do think that these are just basically little silicone dots that give you a little bit of grip, so you could probably even put these on the underside of a ruler that slides around a little too much for your liking. The next notion that we have is a set of rainbow bobbins, and so they're class 15 bobbins. The pamphlet actually didn't say that, but I did test them out in my machine, which uses class 15 bobbins, and they do appear to be class 15 bobbins. There are 6 of them in here, and they are all different colors. This package of bobbins retails for $1.48. These are super cute. I can't decide whether blue is my favorite or the red is my favorite. Which one do you like? Let me know in the comments down below. The third notion that we have is a silver needle case. This is a hefty item. Not only does it weigh a lot, but it retails for $5.48. The idea here is that you are able to use this case to hold your pins and needles, and it does kind of have like a little vintagey look to it. You just pull it apart. Now you've got a case to put your needles or pins in, and it is metal. It's pretty solid. The only thing that I don't like about it, mine doesn't seem to clasp all the way shut, so I've got the lid on, and if I do like this, see, that's no good. That's no good. I don't want that to come apart. What if I hold it the other way? Yep. Maybe I have it on backwards. Nope. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about it is it's loose. It doesn't click. And I would be really nervous to use something like this, put some sharp needles or pins in here and have it, you know, come undone. Now, granted, if I put something in here, I'm not going to walk around going like this, but it could get jostled around in the bottom of my purse or my sewing bag. I did notice that if I leave it in the zipper bag, it doesn't come apart. So maybe I can use this and leave it in the zipper bag. So I'll put my pins in the tin, and then I'll put the tin in the zipper bag, and then they won't fall out. Then, of course, we have our patterns and our fabric. And if you've been paying attention to Sew Sampler, you already know this. But for those of you that are new, Sew Sampler does a Block of the Month series in their Sew Sampler box that starts in April of every year and finishes in March of the next year. And every month you get a block, and then in March you get a finishing kit. And basically you can do a sampler quilt along with Fat Quarter Shop. This month we've got Track 12, which is basically Block 12, and it's going to look like that. And then we have our finishing kit, which is going to show us what our sampler quilt will look like when it's all done. If you want to do this and you are not a Sew Sampler member, you can buy each of these cards for $4.98. And so this month, this would be a $9.96 retail value. Did I do the math right? I hope so. Our pattern this month is written by Corey Yoder exclusively for the Sew Sampler box. So you're not going to be able to pick this up, but if they were to sell this, this would be a $9.98 value. The pattern is called Starry Checkers, obviously written by Corey Yoder. It's going to make a table topper that's going to measure at 36 by 36 inches. Take a look at it down here. This is what that table topper is going to look like. And there is some advertisement on the back for a couple of books that you can buy with your 25% off code in the box. Inside this pattern, the illustrations are really easy to see. They're colored. The font's easy to read. Everything's well written. I love Corey Yoder patterns because they are detailed and very easy to follow. And of course, a Corey Yoder pattern would not be complete without some Corey Yoder fabric. The last thing in the box is our fabric this month. We've got 2 charm packs for the Spring Brook collection from Corey Yoder. These 2 charm packs retail for $19.96. And I'll just see if I can slide this little tape down so I can give you a leaf through of the charms that are in here. There are 42 pieces in each package, so I'll just show you one of them. Oh, that's odd. Do y'all see that? I have a 2.5-inch strip right here where I should have a 5-inch strip. That's really weird, but no worries. I've got a 5-inch right there. And then we've got some blacks, super pretty. Try to leaf through these pretty quickly. I love the way she does like that charcoal color. Very nice. Got some white tone on tone. Like those little bumblebees. The blue's really pretty. This isn't her normal color, I feel like. I feel like it's a little subdued, but it's still super pretty. That's everything for the box this month. I think my favorite item is probably the pattern and the fabric, but I'd love to know what your favorite item was. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. I'll see you guys all on Friday night. Bye!